Hello everyone, welcome to another video. And in this video, we are going to explore the tipranks.com website. And if you're not familiar with TipRanks, it is a website that has stock research tools. And it's a premium site, but they offer a lot of free features which will actually be able to help you as you're assessing and evaluating the types of stocks that you might be interested in purchasing. So if you head over to tipranks.com, it's really easy to make an account. You can actually make one through your Google sign-in. And that's what I have here, just a basic level account. And I'm going to go ahead and let's see. I'm going to pull up Tesla stock. And I want you just to go step by step through the dashboard so we can look at some of the features. So you type in Tesla here. It's showing the market's closing price. So this video is being made on Saturday. So it's going to show us the market closing price on Friday at 4 p.m. here in the United States. All right, so obviously the one-day data would not show because it's not trading today. However, you click on 5-day, it will show you the 5-day performance for Tesla. So that would be from the beginning of the open on Monday to the end of the day on Friday. Same would be had for the 3-month, showing that Tesla is down 29%, 6-month is down 27%, year to date, which would be January 2nd when the market started trading to today, and then the 1 month, which shows that the 1 year, which shows that it's actually up 4% from this time a year ago. Okay, so a lot of information there. You can do the same with the 3-year and the 5-year. Now, if you step over here, you'll be able to change the view to a candle view. So if you're more into looking at the specifics, you can change it there to see when you have buying and selling going on using the candlesticks. You can change it back there, or you can have it changed to just a line form there. All right, over to the right side, you'll see the TipRanks Smart Score. And this is a score that they use using analyst ratings as well as buying and selling by insiders. And it's, I think, a total of 8 variables that they use to come up with this score. Price targets over here, and that's the analyst forecast, which we'll look at in a minute. Okay, we have hedge fund holdings. So what I like about this is you can see here in this particular case that the hedge funds have actually in the last quarter decreased the amount of shares that they own in Tesla. Insider transactions, so you see that $8.5 billion has been sold. And of course, if you follow Tesla and Elon Musk, then you know that he has been selling shares, I believe, to do a transaction or to purchase Twitter, but more on that later. Then if you come over here, you will also see at the very bottom, it'll show you the days range, 52-week range, and then the volume as well as the PE ratio, market cap, enterprise value, and the beta there. So you can see it's a lot of pretty basic information, but enough to kind of give you a one-stop shop. You know, everything from shares outstanding, 10-day average volume, 30-day average volumes. A lot of information there. All right, then you come down a little bit further, you'll see that they have Tesla-related news. You can click on articles. You have some similar stocks here. So obviously other car makers. Then it comes down with a quick, nice visual view of the financials. You can see the revenue over the last, it looks like 4 years. Similarly, you could look at their earnings on a yearly basis or quarterly, with the estimated being darker than the actual EPS that's reported. PE range here, like I said, a lot of information. It even breaks down to the number of people who visit Tesla's website, okay, and what form they go on it. So whether they're accessing it from the desktop or mobile, and then some frequently asked questions. All right, so, wow, and imagine this is all on the free version. All right, so when we come to the analyst forecast, you will see that we're also provided with information here. This particular case is going to show us the analyst rating consensus. So we have 16 that are buy rated, 6 that are sell rated, 8 holds. And then I like this chart here because it's showing that it says based on 30 Wall Street analysts offering 12-month price targets. And here you can see where, even though it says September 2021, I guess you'd need a paid version to see more up to date. Actually, no. This is just showing you looking back, actually. So this is showing you looking back 6 months, or I'm sorry, the last 12 months. what the ratings have been last 12 months, where it was forecasted to go, and then you can see where it is moving forward. So you can see in this particular case, the average rating, analyst rating being $917 with a low of 67 as the lowest price target, and then the high being, what's that, 1,580. So I think they just went through, and average price represents a 41% change. So that's why over here, based on the analyst rating, there's tip rank is reporting a 41% upside based on the last price. So it's 650 now, and their upside forecast takes it all the way to 917. All right, then we go down for a detailed list. You would need the premium version of that, but it shows you here just some of the analysts and where their ratings have been. It also shows you their success rates, and actually shows you the group that they belong to. So I suppose if you Googled some of these people, you'd be able to, learn more about them and their specific ratings. Okay. So then we'll go to the insider trading tab. And this is where we're able to see that insiders sold 8.5 billion shares of the company. It shows when they sold. Okay. And it shows you like a trend there, or it shows you the price trend in relation to when they sold. Okay, and let's see, close this. Then we come down here, and it's going to show you the specifics. So again, right here, you can see where Elon Musk sold what looks like, what's that, $2 billion, $2.2 billion worth of stock 2 months ago. Okay, so again, pretty decent for a free website. We'll then go to news and insights. That's an option, which is pretty much self-explanatory. And then we go to the crowd wisdom, and this is based on, looks like they analyze 534,000 investor portfolios. I'm assuming these are portfolios maybe held on their site, but then it shows you that based on all of those portfolios, 15.3% hold Tesla. And of course, this is true of even, not index funds, but ETFs and, mutual funds. They're holding Tesla. It's one of those often large weights in those types of ETFs just because of its popularity, obviously, and its performance. Okay, so then you can see here what investors have purchased. So it gives you similar things. But again, these aren't the professional. These are just investors from the Tip Ranks crowd. So just to see what other people are doing. Then it's going to come down here to earnings and dividend, which is going to give you more information, as well as financials in similar stocks. So if I click on similar stocks like we looked at before, it will take you here to see some other stocks maybe that you didn't have on your radar. And then you can click there and follow a very similar pattern to learn more about them. So if you haven't checked out Tip Ranks already, I would encourage you to go to tipranks.com, spend some time, check it out, and see if it's helpful to you as you go through and evaluate your stocks. Remember that you never want to just take somebody's stock recommendation just because they say so. You always are going to want to do some type of research on your own. And if you don't have the time or feel that you don't have the skill to do it, then that's where it might be helpful for you to look into ETFs, because those oftentimes are already being done for you just by nature of the index itself. All right. So as always, please, if you haven't already done so, subscribe to the channel. And just tell me what you think about the content in the comments section. As always, thank you for your time. And this is Dr. Diffins signing off. Bye-bye.